The combination lock can't be opened. You say it's jammed. First, the issue is whether the combination is correct. So how do you first determine if the combination is correct? For example, how do you check a lock like this? If the combination is correct, this red button, which we call the change lever, can be moved to the left without popping back. In this case, you can move it back and forth, meaning the combination is correct, but it's jammed. I'll tell you later how to fix a jam. The second type, like this zipper style lock, how do you prove that your combination is correct? It also has a numbered lever, which you press down. If the combination is correct, pressing gently will push it in and it will lock. At this point, you only need to push the switch to pop it up and it will open. If it doesn't open, tap it a few times, tap the lock. And if the precision is not enough, turn it back and forth, rub it a bit, then dial back to the original combination. Then push it lightly and it opens. Okay, now we know that if our combination is correct and it's jammed, what usually happens when it's jammed? It looks like this. After locking the frame, you will notice the frame cannot close completely. There is a gap, and the gap in the middle of the waterproof strip is larger. If it won't open in this situation, it's jammed. So what should we do then? Close it. If this side can be opened, close the side that opens first. After closing it, place the suitcase flat. If, for example, this side won't open, gently sit on it like this. When sitting on it, the frame will be pressed down. At this point, dial your correct combination, then gently tap it to open. If it still won't open, try repeatedly, doing it gently like this, until the suitcase opens. Got it. Friends, I really don't want to sit on the suitcase and hit it, but it's hard to demonstrate otherwise, and you really don't know how to do it, so I'll show you. Many problems with combination locks are actually very simple. You just haven't learned the small tricks and tips. Tips necessity is sharing them all with you. I've shared the methods with you. As always, all the unlocking methods, all the videos we share come from my years of experience. I hope you guys can make good use of them. I life hacks for free. Quickly follow me, like and share. Bye bye.